Hey guys, this is Epson EcoTank ET8550. This printer is multifunctional printer, high creativity A3 plus printer. What I want to do is to show you how to print documents from your mobile device to this printer. First of all, you need to make sure your mobile phone and printer are connected to the same network. Now to print your document, go to my files. So select my files, then select documents. Then you select the document that you want to print out. Gently tap on the document, then you wait for the document to open. This is the document that you want to print out. It's 2 pages document. To print this document out, gently tap on the screen, select the 3 dots, then select print. Then it will show you this app. Scroll down to select Epson ET8550 series. Select on it, and it will show you the printer icon. Then scroll down, you select how many copies, color, double-sided. Scroll down, select long edge for double-sided, paper size A4, orientation is portrait, pages all. Then scroll up and select print. This document is printing. Preparing to print reverse side of the document. Do not touch the paper. Printing complete. This is the document we printed out, double-sided, color. Another way to print document is for you to go to Epson Smart Panel. This is Epson Smart Panel. So to print document, scroll to the side, select print document, just gently tap on it. Then it will bring out for you to select the document that you want to print out. Select the document I want to print out. This is 2 pages document. Then you select print setting, printing range 1 to 2, paper size A4, media type plain paper, layout borders, print quality standard. You can also select high or best, but it's currently in standard. Paper source, you scroll down and select automatic or cascade 2. So the bottom one cascade is cascade 2. Or you can leave this to automatic so that the printer will pick up the paper from wherever it is. I'm going to leave it automatic. Then also the color. We want to print this color, or you can select B and W is black and white. Two-sided printing, long edge. Print last page first is on. Then you select how many copies, then select done, then select print. If you change your mind, you can cancel it from the app or cancel it from the printer. Touch screen. Printing complete. This is the document we printed out, color. If you want to print it black and white, all you need to do is you go to the settings and change the color to B and W. Then in this case, I want us to print this single page instead of double-sided. So double-sided is off. Then you select done, then select print. This is the document we printed out. The first one. Printing complete. This is the second document we printed out, black and white. So these are ways to print document from your mobile phone to this printer. This printer deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.